Hello friends, welcome to the online classes. I am Dattatreya Raut to explain about the entire syllabus of biology. In the revised syllabus of biology, curriculums are recognized by the Maharashtra State Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, Pune. In Lal Bahadur Shastri Mahavidyalaya, Partur, there is a online class start for the 12th science student. Academic year 2020-2021 syllabus is revised for biology. I have to explain today entire. In the syllabus of biology included 5 units. In these 5 units, there is a first unit is the reproduction. In the reproduction, there is 2 topics are included. Reproduction in lower and higher plants, and another topic is the reproduction in lower and higher animals. These 2 topics included into the unit reproduction mainly to focus the significance of the reproduction to continuity of the life of the species is necessary, is the process is required to maintain the survival of the species. So in higher plants as well as in lower plants, as well as higher animals as well as lower animals, what type of the reproductions are they take place in lower animals as well as in higher animals, what type of the methods are the recognized in the lower animals as well as in lower higher animals. Then second unit is the genetics and evolution. So in genetics and evolution included the 3 topics. One is the inheritance and variation, then chromosomal basis of inheritance, and third topic is the that is known as the third topic is the origin and evolution of life. So in these 3 topics, that is the inheritance and variation, there is a focus on the genetics and the variations. In these topics, there is a Mendelian laws. Mendel's are established the 3 laws regarding to the inheritance pattern of the genetic materials. Then chromosomal basis of inheritance, what is the chromosomes, what is the structure of the chromosomes, what is the mechanism of transformation of the genetic character from one generation to the next generation. There is a chromosomal theory are included. There is a sex-linked diseases, sex-linked inheritance of the characters. What are the type of the genetic diseases, disorders, syndromes which have to included in this topic. Origin and evolution of life. There is a every species of any plants or any animals, there is a having a life history. Now the third unit is the physiology. Physiology is included the 4 topics. These 4 topics is the plant water relation, then plant growth and mineral nutritions. Third topic is the respiration and circulation. Fourth topic is the control and coordinations. The physiology of plants and physiology of the animals. Physiology of the plants, the plant growth and development. Then plant water relations. There is a plant and waters are correlated, which are perform the vital role in the growth and the development of the plants. So in the development of the plant, there is a waters are the essential, but these waters how to absorb, there is a mechanisms, there is a having a theory. These are included into the plant water relation. Then plant growth and the development, plant growth and the mineral nutritions. How do the plant are required for their growth, proper growth, healthy growth? There is a requirement of the mineral nutritions. Which type of the mineral nutritions are required? Auxins, ethylene, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid. There are the number of the minerals and the enzymes is required for the growth. And respiration and the circulation. In human respiration, human respiratory systems, human respiration mechanisms, circulation, the part of the circulations, organ of the blood circulations. These are the included the number of the aspects regarding to the blood circulation and regarding to the respirations. Then control and coordination is also the one type of the major topics included into the unit physiology. These control and coordinations, these are the mainly the brain. Brain are the master organs in the body, which are the essential for the controlling and coordination of the body, releasing of the different hormones to control the activity of the body. Then there is also the mechanisms are included. There is a coordinations, having the systems are developed for the coordinations. Central nervous systems, which are included the brain and spinal cords, then autonomous nervous systems. Then different systems are included for the correlatedly and work to the better for the functioning in the coordinations of the body of the humans. Now next unit is the fourth unit, that is known as the applied biology. So in applied biology included the three topics: human health and diseases, enhancement of food production, and biotechnology. So in these topics is the regards to the applied sections, applications of the biology. Human health and diseases. Now this human health and diseases is the very sensitive point regarding to the novel coronavirus pandemics. Human health and diseases. You know that about the very well what is health of the human, and when persons are called the healthy when there is a absence of the disease. It is not healthy, but persons are called the diseased person because that persons are having the infectious condition. Infectious condition means invade the bacteria, viruses, or any other microorganism which cause the infection to the body. Then different diseases are included in the such topics. Then is another one is the enhancement of the food production. Enhancement in food production is essential things because the increasing in the populations of the world and also required as well as the food demand of the populations. There are the different varieties of the crops. Green revolutions are the take place regarding to the enhancement in the food productions. So there are the different investigations and research to implement to the for the formation of the new variety of the crops which are having the maximum yield of the crops, and which is the disease free plants. There is a BT cottons. One is the example is BT cottons, but there is a BT cotton is the Bacillus thuringiensis, which is the disease free plants. So next one is the biotechnology. In the biotechnology, technology is the very well known about the technology. Now the biotechnology. So in biotechnology there are the different branches are the present. Then last one is the ecology and environment. These are the fifth section of the biology syllabus. So in the ecology and environment, in this topic are included that is known as the organism and populations. Then ecosystem and energy flow. Then that is known as the biodiversity, conservations and environmental issues. These three topics are regarded to the ecology and environment. So in ecology and environment there is a organism and population, plants and populations. Then after the ecology and energy flow. In this energy flow and ecology included the correlations and correlation in between the plants and having the energy producing. So effect of the environment on the human health. Human health is the essential regarding to the biodiversity, conservation of the biodiversity. There is a gathering the information to perform the different programs to conserve the biodiversity and to solve the problems regarding to the conservation of the biodiversity. Thank you so much all the friends.